Hey and welcome. So, you would like to make money from home playing games? Well, you have come to the correct place. I found this amazing site just yesterday, and I will now show you how you can make up to like $100 a day very easily just doing what you want to do, playing games. So, as you can see here now, for example, I did install 4 games from this site yesterday, and you can see here now this one here, for example, today you can get up to 9.16 euro, so around $10 just by playing this game. And you think, I need to play all day. Actually, no. Yesterday I played probably 30 minutes, and you can see my balance up there, around $11, so 10.58 euro. So let's take a little look around here how it looks like. By the way, you find a link below the video if you want to get started also, and you get a small kickback by using my link. So make sure you use my link below the video and you can start to play games and make money also. People in average on this site, they are making like $30-40 a day, and they spend like 10-50 minutes a day, so you can do the same. So let's take a look how this looks like. So let's just remove this. So you can see my offers. Like I said, I did install these 4 games. Monopoly is basically just free to play games, and yes, it's not games that you need to pay money for. That's the cool thing. It's just free games that you install on your cell phone, Android, iPhone, and you even have games for your computer. So it's games that you will play by the way. One thing, you get rewards for getting things in the games, like here for example, Master 7, Master 6 is certain levels in these games and you get money for it. So let's take this one for example. Here, when you get upgrade to a specific factory, you get like 1.15 euro. This one don't pay so much, but it's a very fun game, so why not? This one I think is like total you make from this one is close to like $4.5. But it's money. It's a game you would play by the way, so why not? And Monopoly is a good one. See here, it's like $100, and you get rewards for every step, like when you reach specific boards. I played this game for like 5 minutes yesterday, and I came to board 2. So it's pretty fast, and I did half of board 2 already. So it's pretty fast to reach these levels. So it's free money that you can get by playing games. So and cash out is not high either. That's the cool thing. Let's go here now and see. You can get cash out to PayPal, to cryptocurrency, and even directly to your bank account. Sorry, my computer is a little slow, but should come here pretty soon. And here you see. So you can get to PayPal, Amazon, Bitcoin, Visa prepaid card. Me personally, I think PayPal is cool, but also I think I will take some Dogecoin or Litecoin and just transfer to real money after, because this is the fastest, of course. The PayPal is super fast also, so it's good options, so you can get your money. And the thing is, the first time, like for example, like I show you now with Dogecoin, for example, just give you an example. So the first time you need minimum 18 euro. 18 euro, you make that easily in 30 minutes. And then you can just withdraw, and next time you don't have a limit. So it's just the first time. So very easy to get your money. And like I said, there are a lot of offers. And the cool thing is that more you play, more games they will add for you. So now you can see, for example, I have 20 offers, and you can see from the offers that I have here now, I can make like $12,000 just by playing games. And like I said, they are free to play. Yes, they also have certain things we can just choose one here now. Let's choose this one, for example. Let me see if we can get some information. On a cell phone I get information, but when you go into them, you have our reward details here. So here you see that, let's get this to English, would be nice. Should translate now. Didn't. But you have some that you get paid for when you are depositing, okay? But like all this, for example, this is things you get when you're playing the game. And here you even get for how many time you're playing. This is pretty darn good. So once again, get started below with the link. And also, while I am playing myself, when I find games that is very easy to make money with, I will tell you in the next video. I will make this probably a daily thing where I show the games that is working, the games that is the easiest to make money with, so you can follow me and make money with this. So if you like to play games, if you like to make money from home, this is for you. So link below the video. Make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this. Turn the bell notification on and like this video. And if you have started, make some comment below and let me know. With that, have an amazing day.